Hi there, students. Avuncular. Avuncular, an adjective. I guess you could have an adverb avuncularly, although I probably might say in an avuncular way. Or even the opposite, unavuncular. Okay, so avuncular, an adjective meaning friendly, kind, helpful, like the way you would expect your uncle to behave. Well, that's if you've got a nice uncle. Yeah, let's see. Avuncular means like an uncle. That's the real basic meaning of it. But somebody who is avuncular is kind and helpful towards a younger person, somebody who's less experienced. So when I was new at the company, the person sitting opposite took me under his avuncular wing. Yeah, he was reassuring, he showed me the ropes, he showed me what to do. Yeah, okay, and this is the idea of avuncular. Somebody who's being gentle and treating you well and teaching you. Yeah, so yeah, the avuncular image of the actor meant that he always got the same types of roles. Yeah, avuncular, characteristic of an uncle. Yeah, he showed me avuncular affection. Yeah, an avuncular figure is always a good thing to have in your life. Yeah, he showed me a lot of avuncular wisdom, which helped me along my way. Okay, so avuncular, like an uncle, yeah, but kind, genial, benevolent, tolerant. Yeah, and then I guess you would have the opposite, unavuncular. Yeah, my boss was positively unavuncular. Yeah, he was hostile and was always trying to find ways to make me fail. Yeah, so I gave the young man a piece of avuncular advice. He behaved so avuncularly that nobody could fail to love him. Yeah, everybody would love him. Yeah. Okay, so an avuncular approach is a good way of helping people and getting a good image as well. Yeah. Maybe the old image of the avuncular policeman that existed in the 1940s in the UK is something that has completely disappeared. Yeah, I think we need to have an attitude that the police are there to help us, but it doesn't seem like the reality, and that's the point. Let me give you a piece of avuncular advice. Study a little bit of English every day. Okay, so avuncular, yeah, friendly and helpful, and giving a hand to younger, less experienced people. Okay, so it's effectively so that they can benefit from your experience as an older person. Let's see. I think most commonly this is used for a man because the origin itself comes from Latin, avunculus, which means your mother's brother, yeah, your maternal uncle, yeah. But I guess a woman could give you avuncular advice as well, but it's more common from in a masculine framework. Okay, now we come to the question of formality. This word sounds a bit literary, but it's not terribly formal. I think I'd probably give it a 6, 6.5. You could just about use it in an informal conversation, but I think you might use friendly, kind, something like that. And then, as I said, the origin from avunculus in Latin, meaning your mother's brother, your uncle. I mean, notice avuncular, it's even got the word uncle in it. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Avuncular.